Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In this session, we start with question number 9 because in the previous session we ended with question number 8. Okay, cool. Here the question number 9 says you should evaluate this expression if a is equal to -3 and b equals 5. So what we need to do is just what? Substitute. In place of a we put -3, and in place of b we put 5. As simple as a, b, c. So we have a squared minus a minus ab, right? So now we just substitute. A is -3, okay? So we have -3 squared minus -3 minus -3 times 5, okay? All right, so let's put this in the calculator. This expression right here is AB, okay? Because A is -3 and B is what? 5. So they are multiplying each other. So I just put in the bracket so you see it properly. Okay, cool. So let's put this in our calculator instead of wasting time. Let's put this in our calculator. Okay, cool. So let's put that. We have -3 plus squared minus another bracket -3 minus another bracket -3 times 5 brackets closed, brackets closed. So the calculator says our answer is -3. Okay, -3. -3. Do we have a -3 here? Yes, we have it here. Okay, so we circle that as our answer. Cool. Let's go to question number 10. Let's go to question number 10. It says make W the subject of the relation. So we want to make W the subject, okay? So let's separate this by moving this here, okay? Let's move this whole expression to the other side, okay? Cool. So let me just make this smaller so we have enough space. Cool. All right. So we have 1 over y is equal to a over x plus b over w. So we want to move this expression to this side, okay? So let's do that. So you have 1 over y minus a over x. Why is it minus, not plus? It is minus because here it was positive, right? So if it goes, it becomes negative, and that will be equal to b over y. So b over w. Okay, cool. So now this whole expression we can rewrite it to be b over w equals 1 over y minus a over x. It's the same thing, right? We just shift both sides, okay? So let's write it like that. So we have b over w equals 1 over y minus a over x. Okay, so now let's find the LCM of this side. Let's find the LCM. Okay, so let's find the LCM. That will give us x, y. Okay, so x goes into xy, x times 1, that will be what? X, right? So we have x minus x goes into here, cancel the x, we are left with y. So y times a will give us what? A y. Okay, so we have a y, and this will give us b over w. As you can see over here, we just moved these to this side. Okay, cool. Now let's flip the equation on its head so that W can be on top, or we can just cross multiply. We can cross multiply. Okay, let's cross multiply. That will be easier. So we have W multiplies x minus ay equals b multiply x y. Okay, so now we want to make w the subject, so we can just divide by both sides by this so that this can cancel out. Okay, so we divide both sides by x minus ay. So let's do that. Over x minus ay, x minus ay. So this will cancel this. Okay, and we'll be left with w here, right? So our answer w is equal to bxy all over x minus ay. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Cool. Now this, do we have it in here? We have bx over x minus y, bxy over x minus ay. So here it is. So our answer is C. Cool. All right. I think we'll end here for now. In the next session, we'll move on to question number 11. Thank you so much for joining. See you again next time. Bye.